Welcome to Military Bright Officials. Jai Hind everyone. Today I am here to discuss about the MNS important topics and as well as the important books which is very helpful for your upcoming MNS 2022 examination. So again जय हिंद guys. So book list for MNS is जैसे कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि MNS के लिए बहुत सारी बुक्स हैं. लाइक कोई भी कहता है ये बुक पढ़ लो, ये प्रेफर कर लो, ये सब्जेक्ट में ये वाली बुक प्रेफर करो. But thing is that no one is giving us exact knowledge about subject as well as the book which is useful for us, because in market many books are there. Like कोई कहता है भैया इंग्लिश के लिए ये वाली बुक प्रेफर कर लो, मैथ सॉरी फॉर बायो फिजिक्स ये प्रेफर कर लो, बट इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी ना. जो आना है वो पढ़ना है ना. Apart from this guys, I choose a most important books which is very useful for our examination MNS 2022. Always keep one thing in your mind. बुक्स कम होनी चाहिए, पढ़ाई ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, बुक्स का वेटेज कम होगा तो पढ़ने में भी मज़ा आएगा. सो दैट जो बुक पढ़नी है केवल उनका ही अपने पास बहुत सारा ढेर होना चाहिए. नॉट अ मैनी बुक्स. बुक्स देख के ही पढ़ने का मन ना करे, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. जो बुक रिक्वायर्ड है वो हमको पढ़ना है. सो दैट फॉर इंग्लिश we can start from their syllabus, what syllabus come in our examination and which book is best for it. And second one for bio physics chemistry. Apart from it we will also discuss about a current affairs series and the GK portion and reasoning also. Now we have started from the English portion. The most important syllabus for English is synonym, antonym, spotting error, fill-ups, spelling, detecting misspelled words, idiom phrases, one-word substitution, shuffling of sentence in passage, and passage improvement. These are the most important syllabus for English. And the books for English is BMW by Christopher Phoenix. This is best. And second one I prefer you the Paramount, which was written by Neetu Man. These both of books are very best, and if you are go through these books then you definitely crack this examination. Now apart from this we have come from the bio section. In bio we have to cover 11th and 12th class whole biology, and all topics are important, so read them very carefully. And the most important books for biology portion is 10th class science, 11th and 12th class biology. Read it thoroughly, every line. And 10th class NCERT also. For next we come on the physics. For physics, if you go above the cutoff marks then you should also read the मोस्टली 12th और 11th में से एक न्यूमेरिकल इस टाइम आया था. एंड in 2021 only 2 numericals are come, 2 or 1. And in 2020 there was only one numerical was come. So I don't think you should go through the 11th and 12th 11th 12th NCERT. You should also do by the reading a 10th class NCERT as well as the Lucent. For chemistry you have to cover these topics which was on your screen, but from my thinking if you are doing good and well then you should only read the 10th Lucent 10th class NCERT and Lucent, so you can easily crack this examination. Because जो बायो का वेटेज होता है वो उस एग्जामिनेशन में ज़्यादा होता है, ये हमेशा याद रखिएगा. ओनली 10 मार्क्स का अपना ये फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री 10 मार्क्स का मैक्सिमम आया था. मैक्सिमम मिनिमम यही 10 मार्क्स यही रहेगा. ठीक है, बट बायो बहुत ज़्यादा कवर करता है तो हमको फोकस बायो पे करना है. तो इसके लिए NCERT 11-12 की बढ़िया तरीके से एकदम रिवाइज कर डालो उसको 4-5 बार, ठीक है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, नाउ द टाइम इज़ कम, अब हमको बात करनी है करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में, क्योंकि करंट अफेयर वो चीज़ है ना जो हर चीज़ को बदल देता है। मेरा मतलब ये है कि मार्क्स के डिक्रीज़ और इंक्रीज़ होने में यही रोल प्ले करता है। इफ़ यू आर aware of your current affairs and the most important topics which are in your surrounding and what are happening in your country and outmost country like your neighboring country, तो ये चीज़ होना भी ज़रूरी है। सो फॉर करंट अफेयर सीरीज यू शुड गो थ्रू द स्पीडी play most important role. The current affairs yearly and monthly both are available in speedy. Last but not the least, the GK and the reasoning. For GK, you should go through a Lucent, because Lucent is a very important book which cover all topics mostly come in a MNS examination. So most carefully you read this book, and many contents are available in YouTube. You should also go through there. But firstly, you cover this important Lucent book. For this reasoning section, 5 or 4 videos from Military Brat officials channel are come soon. So these are useful for you. So go through it. No book is required for reasoning section. And last, for the books link in the description box. Order now. अब एक ही सपना MNS 2022 मेरिट लिस्ट में नाम हो अपना. So guys, at last I want to say, जय हिंद, जय भारत, like, subscribe and share.